Hi there, this is Alex and we're back with another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks. In this series, we answer some frequently asked questions that we get from our customers from around the region. This week, we've got a question from a customer in Australia wanting to know, is there a way to speed up the media profiling process with the Ricoh Pro L5160? The short answer, no. But the good news is that instead of speeding up the process, there could be a way to potentially eliminate the process completely, allowing you to make prints without having to profile the media. First, we need to understand why media profiling is important. When creating a profile, there are three things that we want to achieve. The first thing is color accuracy. I think you will agree with me when I say that you want your prints to come out looking like how you originally intended. The second thing that you want to achieve is setting the ink limit of the media. This will affect the color gamut available for print. The last thing that you want to do is find the optimum temperature for printing as well as curing. You want to make sure that your prints are dry after printing is complete. Therefore, media profiling is usually done whenever a new media is being used. This process involves printing charts, scanning the charts, choosing the optimum ink limit, as well as testing the temperature settings. This whole process requires quite a fair bit of time as well as media to complete. This is where Ricoh's generic profiles come in. The hardworking team in Ricoh HQ have come up with a set of generic profiles for different media types so as to help customers avoid the hassle of having to do media profiling for all their media. There are generic profiles for most common media types such as PVC, PET, textiles, to name a few. They are available in different print modes depending on the quality that you require, and some of these even include 2 different profiles for you to choose from. So when you're going to print with a new media, all you need to do is select the appropriate generic profile based on the media type, and then you can begin printing. Here's an overview of what you can generally expect when printing using generic profiles versus printing with dedicated profiles. As you can see, using the generic profile allows you to get good printouts while saving both time as well as media. Of course, if you're not satisfied with the results, you still have the option of creating dedicated media profiles. One thing to note is that not all medias are created equally, so we can't guarantee good results with all medias. That's why we always recommend that you test out the media beforehand. Here in CEC, one of the things that we do is help our customers test for media suitability. Here's a comparison of a print using the generic profile as compared to using a dedicated profile. We can see clearly that good results can be achieved with the generic profile. Today, we've shown you another way in which Ricoh can help you increase your productivity. But that's all for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. As usual, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.